This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cake boxes, specifically these Sweet Vision cake boxes with lids and ribbon. And we have a few different style options, and there's a lot of different color and design variety as well. In the 8.5 by 8.5 size with lids, we have this awesome red lid with matching ribbon and a beautiful flower and bird design. But you also have the option of a blue lid with floral accent, a plain white with matching ribbon, or a plain black with matching ribbon. In the 10 by 10 with the clear top, you have an option of either black or white with matching ribbon. And in the 10 by 10 with the colored lids, you have the option of blue with matching ribbon, red, white with a beautiful lotus flower design, or black with a tree accent. So there's a lot of fantastic style and color options that are great for matching with your branding or for pairing with holidays or other events. And these boxes are a great way to show off your cakes. And they're a fantastic way to dress up simple cakes and pastries if you're looking to help push sales, especially at the holidays. They come with the clear sides and matching lids for these, or just the clear sides and tops for this style. They all come with a base and a coordinating ribbon, which is fantastic. The pieces are packed flat and shipped that way, so it's a nice space-saving option that you can keep tucked away until you're ready to fold them up and use them. So now we're going to show you how to fold one of the boxes with lids for easy setup. So we're going to show you how to set up and fold one of these boxes that comes with the lid, since it's a little more involved. And to get ready, before you put your lid on, you want to make sure you have the clear sides folded, and you want to have those little interlocking tabs at each corner, right, kind of secured in so that it's easy to put that down over top of the base, and you'll see it fits nicely flush with the bottom of that base. And that'll make it go around your cake instead of potentially messing it up, right? So we want to make sure that's nice and sturdy. Now onto folding the lid, because this is where it gets a little more complicated. These come flat, and you're going to want to crease them. So you're going to want to fold in and in again on this line, and then the last little lip is coming back towards it. And these little side flaps also are going to go in on each side. And you want to do that on both sides and make sure that these are really, really well creased, because that's going to help this lid stay in place and make it less awkward to fold. The other sides, you want to go ahead and do the same thing. You want to fold in again, and then out. And it's really important to get those little accordion folds at the corner and really make sure that you're creasing those as well. That's gonna really help when you go to actually set your little boxes up. So just go back the other way on the other side and really get those little accordion folds. And make sure you've got some nice crisp folds, and that'll make it easy to hold that lid together. So you want to start by taking the sides with those big flaps, and you can see now they want to kind of go right like that, and just take one end and fold it over. And that, if we've got good folds in place, should really kind of start to keep it in place. Just move your fingers along the other side and get down into the other side. Sometimes I find it pops out on me, and just kind of going over it a few times will help. There we go. Sometimes it just takes a little bit to kind of encourage that to go into place. And when I'm putting them on top of the boxes, you'll notice I'm holding those two sides that are kind of keeping everything together. And I'm going to use that just to get everything started. So I've got it so that those sides are right there, and I can keep my fingers underneath and just kind of encourage it over the edge of the box. If you hold it the other direction and aren't holding onto those sides that are going to want to pop out on you a little bit, then it's going to pop out on one end and you're going to have to take it off and refold it. But once you've got this on, you're ready to put your ribbon on, and it'll stay nice and secure in place, and you've got a nice sturdy box. I've got a length of my coordinating ribbon already cut. And I'm just going to go ahead and place the middle over the top. And if you've actually got a cake in here, you're going to want to pull it over the edge of your table so you don't have to tilt your pastries. But I'm doing this just to keep it on camera. And you can see that ribbon's going to fit down in those notches, and it's going to keep it secure and in place on your box, which is going to make it nice and easy to tie. So just go ahead, give it a knot. I like to give it a second one to make sure it stays in place. And then it'll be really easy to tie a perfect bow on there, and you have a perfect little presentation. These boxes are disposable for easy cleanup, and they're a great option for bakeries, cafes, whether you're packing up cakes, desserts, bundt cakes, fruit tarts, or any of your other creations. These are a fantastic way to wrap them up that makes them look like the beautiful present they are.